The moment the Barium comes out, the Shibanu 10,000 will go overnight to 1 cent as the SHIB's ecosystem grows where Barium can solve some of the major problems in the SHIB's already announced project. Today, we will talk about why Barium sent the Shibanu coin to the moon. So watch this video till the end because today's video is going to be a bombshell. Welcome to Crypto Insider, your daily dose of Shiba. If you are interested in everything about Shiba, this is the place for you. Subscribe if you want to stay updated with all SHIB news predictions and stay one step ahead in the crypto world. Before we get to our topic, let's take a look at the chart and see what Shiba price will do on the 3rd of November, shall we? After erasing all previous gains, the price of Shibanu was circling around the point of volume control, i.e. 118 cents. The volume control point is the highest trading volume of the selected sector. After flipping in the Shibanu price, it held above the 118 cents support level for a while before starting a 50% rally after SHIB breached this confluence during the previous trading day. The start of the downtrend validated. If the trend continues, Shibanu will drop about 25% and trade between $0.8, $3.09, This movement may look bearish in the short term, but it will lay the foundation for long-term bullish play. It is interesting to watch how the price has settled at this point. The next target could be somewhere around 180 cents, because the price can form the triple top or reverse down. Profit can be around these levels for an extended period of time, with a brief rise of 43%. A drop in the weekly support at $0.87 is expected if the point of control breaks down. The price settles above $11.08 and rises to $0, $2, $8, or the price breaks through the control point and drops DOE $0.83 or $0.093. Shiba price usually goes up 50%, 60%, or 70% in a day or two, then reverses down. And if done well, the price could drop by 7.46% by the end of September. At the moment, the price is down 2.61% in the last 24 hours and is now trading at $11 USD7. In conclusion, the news that the ability to produce a daily candle close above the 118 cents threshold will indicate bearish weakness. Negative expectations will be nullified if this barrier reverses to the bottom of the support. This development may cause the price of Shibanu to rise before it goes up. Now let's get back to the topic as the Shibanu ecosystem continues to grow with extensive SHIB roadmap projects such as SHIB. The metaverse and Shibanu will add to an already extensive network. However, for many other projects in progress, they will all rely on gibberish. Let's take a look at everything we know about the second tier and what it can do for the SHIB. Tell me what? Shibariam is a Layer 2 blockchain solution proposed by Rick Zai, creator of Shibanu. Once fired, a SHIB will move to an L2 ratio. At first I use the phrase blockchain. Barium will most likely be L2 sitting on top of the already existing Ethereum blockchain, the SHIB maker said in the now-deleted blog post. The line between L2 and its blockchain is thin. I mean, what is really the difference between the Matic L2? It should be noted here that Barium is not its own blockchain, and it does not mean that there is a Shibanu 2.0 token coming. Shibanu will remain connected to Ethereum. One of the primary goals will be to lower transaction fees for those in the Shiba ecosystem. In a blog post by its developers, Unification said that transactions will be approved in seconds for Ryu a penny. She initially said Barium's transaction fee would be minimal or even zero. Speaking on Shiba Discord, Satoshi Kusama, Shiba project lead, said that they will offer low fees for each service game or anything that builds on it. High gas fees are one of the most pressing issues Ethereum is facing. Due to Shiba's reliance on the Ethereum network, it suffered from some exorbitant gas prices when the SHIB was first launched. Chidos even touted the benefits of the L2 on Twitter after the backlash. Despite the SHIB being launched, as with other projects, the second tier will feature some kind of SHIB burning mechanics for shipping. It can also act as a bridge to other ecosystems. According to one of the SHIBs, a peek at Barium, offshore developers will also get a chance to develop on top of LL very soon via the Ethereum Hackathon SHIB. This event, according to Kados, will give successful teams a treat to build on the Barium launch date as Barium. We don't have an official launch date for the Barium vessel yet, but it could be launched in late 2022. The Barium Developers Association has confirmed that the general experimental Barium vessel will launch in the third quarter of 2022. This is between July and September 2022. This comes after the consolidation. It was previously said that it was Barium in alpha. However, comments from Shibanu team members may have tempered those expectations after dismissing comments that said it would launch Barium on September 30. Shib seems to have distanced himself from the comment that Consolidation made regarding a public beta release in the third quarter of 2022. Several members of the Shib's team reiterated that no date had been announced for the Barium ship. However, the unification blog shared in text on the ship's official announcement channel Discord says Q3 2022 for beta. We'll need to wait and see what happens here. Elsewhere in late April, I thought Chido's Kusama said she'd be coming up with Barium very soon. Chido's also said it should release the Barium documents, likely in the form of a new blog post, soon. During the Shibanu Alma controversy, Queenie tempered expectations for the release date by emphasizing that the project doesn't do it to avoid disappointing people. However, it then said that it expects to release the second layer in 2022. This matches previous comments on its September 2021 release date. Satoshi described it as mid-stage Barium. Team Shiba confirmed that Layer 2 is still on the way for April 2022 release in a March blog post. Developer Eric Kim also said it will launch faster than Ethereum 2.0, which is still expected to launch in 2022, although the Ethereum merge date is set for September. However, with so many projects underway, these dates may change depending on priorities and development progress, Chido said in the Discord on January 20. The game moves well. It's Barium Chai, all moving forward takes time. She'll withstand a lot of sorcery while the Shib and Leash tokens have more utility in swapping Shiba. Neither of these two primary tokens for her will be Barium. Instead, it will be a Ragu bone. She explained that reasoning, saying bone would have a fair and zero start since we wouldn't have to worry about blanket whale sacks. Of course, ship carriers and lead cut bones when Saturday was first launched, which means there are likely a lot of bone whales out there. According to the consolidation preview, Barium checkers will also be able to earn bones via Barium to allocate these bones. Shibanu DAO voted to stop minting bones for Saturday's swap. Instead, DEX will soon use the new transaction code as a reward. Bone minting stopped in September after reaching 230 million despite seeing the original Rossi including the bones. Some users expressed frustration when the DCMRA vessel confirmed the role of bone in L2. That's it for today. We would also like to mention that this is not a channel specifically dedicated to providing financial advice, and we do not ask you to invest in any company. This is just a channel geared towards bringing educational content to your doorstep. With that in mind, before you invest in anything, we recommend doing a thorough and extensive research on the subject. We hope you like this video. Let us know in the comments below if you are a SHAIB owner.